Hi, welcome back, my dear students. I hope you're having an awesome day, all right? You get to learn object-oriented programming today with your teacher, Edwin Diaz. Now, on this lecture here, we're going to be building our pages, all right? We know we have a users page. We're going to have an upload page where we're going to be seeing our photos. Actually, this is just going to be a place where we can upload a photo. We're going to have another page where we can see our photos, all right? So we got to add that too. And we also have the comments, all right? So let's go ahead and start doing this. So open up your co-editor, and first thing is we got to minimize this. This is looking kind of ugly already, too many files, right? So let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to be building these pages in admin, in the admin folder, right? And they're not going to be includes, all right? They're just going to be right here with the index. So I'm just going to right click on admin, and the first one that we are going to be making is users.php. Save. All right? Right here in the same level as index, and it's going to be right here. All right? So that's the first one there. As a matter of fact, let's go to index here. Let's Command A or Control A and select everything and go back to users, and let's just paste it in there, right? And that's it, right? Let's do that. Now, one thing that I notice here that it doesn't look 100% right is that we took the content, all right, from admin, and we kind of need that title there in all the pages, right? So let's go back to admin, includes admin content, and we need this actually. All right, we need this for every page. All right, so we're gonna have a title for every page, and we kind of need this container fluid here. All right, so let's go ahead and take that here. I'm just gonna copy this. I'm gonna go back to users, and I'm gonna paste this right above this. All right, and I'm gonna take this admin content out of there. All right, and that should fix that issue there. All right, this is just to have, all right, something that we can start working on. All right, so I'm gonna call this users here. There we go. Let's go back and check it out. Right, enter, and let's just click users, and now you can see the changes. Right, perfect. Now we're gonna be using the same code here for the next pages. Maybe later on we change this title right here, but we changed all this later. But right now let's just leave it like this. I think it looks good. Let's do a save as here on users, and let's call this comments.php. Enter. Let's just change the title here, comments. All right, let's do another save as, and we want one that says photos. Oops. .php. Let's do another save as. Let's call this upload. All right, and save. I think that's it for now. Let's go back to our links here and update those links, right? So let's go to the sidebar, and let me see if I think we already let me see, users upload, so they are already updated. We already did that, but let's make sure that we change what this one says here. All right, so let's go to upload. All right, let's go to the navigations. Actually includes site nav, and here we're going to be changing that. All right, so this one says is for users. This one will go to the upload section. Let's make a copy of that one, put it below. Let's just call this photos. All right, and I think we're done here. Comments is good, upload is good, users perfect. Let's check it out. Actually, let's make sure this one goes to photos. And also let's make sure that our photo has the right title right here, so that way we can see it, right? Photos. Oops. Okay, I need my coffee, guys. Users is good. Comments, this one is not. Upload, there we go. Photos is good. Index is inside the admin right here. We're gonna work on that later, okay? And this would be admin. All right. Let's go back to it. Now we are in uploads, photos, comments. All right, we're looking good. Everything is looking really good. We can go to our, actually we cannot. Let's fix this too. All right, let's fix this link right here while we're here, right? So that would be in our top navigation. You see why that's so important to divide the code? It's so easy to navigate to, right? So let's just call this visit homepage. And let's just right here actually index.php, and we need to get out of here a couple directories, // that's gonna take us out. All right, enter, visit homepage, voila. All right, beautiful. And then admin, and then our links are working really good. Perfect. All right, so if you follow this lecture here successfully, great job. If you didn't, rewind the video and make sure that you have it ready. Okay, we want to build a good foundation for our system. It's going to be a pretty cool course. Okay, so get your coffee ready and let's get it done. See you in the next lecture, my friend.